Namaste. So just tell me, last class what we have learned. Which korvai? Chatushra Jati korvai. Yes. Or? Yes. How many Mayadavs you have learned? 2 Mayadavs. One with Nritta Hasta and one with and Fire Hasta. Okay. So this much is clear now to you. So we'll move on to next korvai. That will be in Tishra Jati. Yeah, Tai will remain same, only that we will our adavs we will fit in different jatis. Different jati means now all the adavus will come in Tishra Jati. Huh? So the first adav we are going to start is Tak, Kit, Ta. You just have to shift like Metta adavu. This is straight from Metta adavu only. Tak, only 2 bits you will give. Tak, Kit, Ta. Tak, Ki, Ta. Tak, Ki, Ta. Tak, Ki, Ta. The another hand will be Dola. Okay, 1, 2. Tak, Ki, Ta. Tak, Ki, Ta. Tak, Ki, Ta. Tak, Ki, Ta. Only with this hand you have to go with it. So side bending, yes. As much you can stretch yourself, go with it. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. Now on the place, only with your right leg, you have to do Tishra Jati 4 times. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, ki, ta, ki, ta. Hands are same, only you have to turn, one dola will remain same. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. All 4 times, yes. Side bending is right and left, both the sides, but only your right leg will work on, not the left. We did just now 4 times with your right leg. So, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. This hand will go little bit up. Yes. Correct. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. Understood? Do again the full thing now. First Mayadavu, Matta adavu and join with Tatti Metti adavu. Start. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. Ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. Understood? Sure? Huh? Now next adavu, that also will come in Tishram only. It will be Ta, Tai, Tai, Tat. It's Na. You have to make a circle in that. Ta, Tai. Tai will come in front. Ta, Tai, Tai, Tat. Yes, from front you have to join it. Just do legs. Turn quick. Ta should be to the right side. Ta, Tai, Tai, Tat. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. Did, Tai, did, Tai. Same with the left. Did, Tai, Tai, Tat. Tat join nahi kiya. Tat. Again right side. Start. Ta, Tai, Tai, Tat. Tak, ki, ta, tak, ki, ta. Did, Tai, Tai, Tat. Did, Tai, did, Ta. Clear this much? Huh? Now the next step is do this again. tatai tai tat and first step together. Then I will move on to the next step. 1, 2. Tak, 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 Clear? This much is. Now the next step is little bit different. It is tak kit tak tak kit tak. You just have to cross your leg in swastika, behind sthanaka and front in aramandi. Tak kit tak kit tak. Then come this side down and that side up. Tak kit tak kit tak. Only you have to bang it. Tak kit tak kit tak kit tak kit tak. Okay, 1, 2. Tak kit tak aramandi tak kit tak kit tak. Clear? This is. Now again tattametta adavu legs you will use. Your hand is at the back, left hand at the back. So you take it tak ki ta with tattamatti. Tak ki ta tak ki ta tak ki ta. Correct. Again tak ki ta tak ki ta. This is diagonal. Tak ki ta. Now which hand will go up?
Left.
Yes. So tak ki ta. Okay. Then third one will be tak ki ta tai did tai. This will be your tirmanam. So the tirmanam is tak ki ta tai did tai. One takita is karvai. Tak ki ta tai did tai. Tak ki ta tai did tai. Tak ki ta tai did tai. Karvai means you are not using any footwork. You are just taking the hand up and crossing your leg. We are not using any footwork over there. So it is tak ki ta tai did tai. Ta tak ki ta tai did tai. Tak ki ta tai did tai. Understood? Chal. Just do the hands for tirmanam first. Then we'll go to the previous step. Your left hand is up there. Just do the hands, okay? Because the confusion is in hands only. More. Yeah, do it. Tak ki ta tai did tai. Tak ki ta. Tak ki ta tai did tai. Yes. And the same hand will come down. Tak ki ta tai did tai. Just tell me the tirmanam, how it is. This takita will be silent. Okay? Ki ta tai did tai. Finish. It's tak ki ta tai did tai. Ki ta tai did tai. Ki ta tai did tai.
Last में आएगा.
कैसे आएगा? That takita is karvai na. Karvai doesn't comes in the end. Understood?
Yes.
That's why it is of 8 takita. 6 takita we are using for tirmanam and 2 takita will be karvai. Understood? Chalo. Try to do from takita, takita, takita. गलत किया. First ये ऊपर. Yes. Takita, 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 tai did tai. बैंड करना ही नहीं है. Yes. And then takita tai didi. ओके, चलो कहाँ से करना है? ओके, 1 2 टीटा 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 तई दिदी तई टीटा तई दिदी तई टीटा तई दिदी तई. Just revise the full thing standing. Say takita on your own and revise it. You can say diditai for this. Diditai, diditai. Say tai tai, tai tai. Kita tai diditai. Only one hand. Your left hand is up. Clear? Try to do full thing. Once we will do with takita only, then I will sing and you try to do with that. 1 2 tai 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 kita 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 ta tai 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 dit dit tai dit dit tai dit tai tai dit dit tai dit dit tai 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 kita tai tai kita tai dit tai kita tai dit. Your Darikitatom hand goes little bit back, so be careful of that. When one hand comes down, the other goes too much at the back. Yes. ठीक है? Do the full korvai with song. 1 2 3 4. Ding ta na 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 ding 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 na. Tila na ta chum chum na dirana ding ta na 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 ding 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 dirana. Tila na ta chum chum na dirana ding ta na 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 ding 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 dirana. Tila na ta chum chum na dirana ding. Understood how the hand goes back? Yes. I forgot to teach you Arudhi in between. After every korvai we are supposed to do Arudhi. Huh? So I will show you Arudhi. In first korvai, which step is your last step? Darikitatom only. Huh? So ding ta na na na. We'll come back with Alapadma. Huh? Diagonal. Correct. Ta na na na. Then dim 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 dira. Dim 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 dira. Na tillanata. Tillanata. Ditai ditai tai 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 ditai dim. Tai 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 ditai dim. Okay? Yes. Ding should be jump. 1 2. Ding ta na na na. Dim 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 dira na. Tillanata jum na dira na dim ta na 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 dim 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 dira. walk back. Tillanat jham jham tanadiradim tananadim dim dim dirana. Tillanat jham jham tanadirana. You will come with the hands which you are using for next korbai starting. Jham jham tanadiradim. Okay, chalo. From where? Ardi, yes. Dim ta na 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 dim 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 dirana. Tillanat jham jham tanadirana dim. See this jham jham, you have to cover the place, space cover karo. Tai 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 didi tai dim. Do again. 1, 2. Dim ta na 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 dim 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 dirana. Tillanat jham jham tanadirana dim ta na 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 dim 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 dirana. Tillanat jham jham tanadirana dim ta na 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 dim 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 dirana. Tillanat jham jham tanadirana dim. Okay, this way every korbai will end. So you have got Chatushra Jati korbai, Tishra Jati korbai. ठीक है. Now the next korbai comes is Khanda Jati korbai. Yes. So tak tak pitta tak tak pitta tak tak pitta tak tak pitta. Tal is going tak dhimmi tak dhimmi tak dhimmi tak dhim tak tak ki tak 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 ki tak tak ki tak tak ki tak ki tak ki. This way the counting will go on. ठीक है. So the first step of Khanda Jati is we are using this adavu which we use in mostly. Which dance we use it mostly? We use it in Jati Swaram. You have used it in Jati Swaram, na? Ha. So the same adavu we are using here. It is tak ka tak ki tak tak ka tak ki tak, like agarati. Yes. And tak ka karke one bit leave and ki ta will be the next step. Try. Tak ka tak ki ta. Get up and walk. Tak ka should be joining. Tak ka tak ki ta. This step we use in Agarati. Chalo karo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tak ka tak ki ta. Tak ka tak ki ta. Tak ka ki ta tak ka tak ki ta. Clear? So we are using the same speed takatakita both the sides. No variety in the speed yet. Tak ka tak ki ta. Correct. ठीक है. Now the next is just stretch yourself in Pratyagida at the back. Tak ka tai dit dit tai. Tai dit tai should be in front. Tak ka tai dit dit tai. Tak ka tai dit dit. Do. Come front little bit. You have to go back. 1, 2. Tak ka tai dit dit tai. Yes. Left. Tak. Ka. Tai. Did. Tai. Understood? Once again. 1, 2. Tak. Ka. Tai. Did. Tai. Tak. Ka. Tai. Did. Tai. ठीक है? This also goes in the same takatakita speed. Tak ka, tak ki ta, tak ka, tak ki ta. Now we will change the speed of takatakita and we will use yatta adavu for that. Takka, takitta, takka, takitta, takka, takitta. Second step. Yatta adavu second step. Takka, takita, takka, takita, takka, takita. Takka, takita, takka, takita, takka. It should be takka, takita. Takita, yes. 1, 2. Takka, properly jump. Yes, aramandi, aramandi. Takka, takita, takka, takita, takka, takita. This should be takka, takita. Yes, takita, you can watch your hand. Takka, takita. Do again, yatta do. Start. Takka, takita, takka, takita, takka, takita. Why you are using all takatakita food? Takka, takita, did, tai, and next two you have to leave. Takka, takita. 1, 2. Takka, takita, takka, takita, takka, takita, takka, takita, takita, takita. Some mistake in the type. Again. Do only legs for the type. Last takatakita. Yes, only this much you have to do. Hands, how you will do? Bas. Then why confusion? Again. 1, do only this. Correct. Still this dit should be clear, close to you. Dit, tai. Correct. Left side also. Dit, tai. It should be dit, tai. Dit, tai. Correct. Understood? Do. 1, 2. Takka, takita, takka, takita, takka, takita, takka, takita, takka, takita, takka, takita. Clear? Now the Tirmanam Adavu, as it is in Khandam, we are using it. Tai, tai, did, tai, 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 did, tai. Tadi, kinna, tom. Yeah, no, you don't have to get it back. Tai, tai, did, tai, 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 did, tai. 1, 2. Tai, tai, did, tai. It's getting back. 1, 2. Tai, tai, did, tai, 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 did, tai. Now you just have to stretch again in Pratyagidha to the left side. Takadimi. What this Takadimi will called? Karvai. Very good. So you understood how the Karvai goes. Because for this Takadimi we are not using any footwork. No Natvangam, no footwork. This will be Karvai. 1. So now this Takadimi goes as Karvai. So the Tirmanam repeats 3 times. Tai, tai, did, tai, 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 did, tai, tak, ka dhimmi tai tai dit dit tai 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 dit dit tai tak ka dhimmi tai tai dit dit tai 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 let tai 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 dit dit tai. Clear? Just do the Tirmanam. 1, 2. Tai dit dit tai 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 dit dit tai tak ka dhim mi tai tai dit dit tai 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 dit dit tai tak ka dhim mi tai tai dit dit tai 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 dit dit tai. Clear? After that again you have to do Arudhi. ठीक है? Just revise the Khanda Jati Korvai properly. Start revising on your own. Kadimmi ding 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 dirana lanata chum chum dirana ding. Understood? Now try to do the Khanda Jati Korvai with song. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ding ta na 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 ding 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 dirana tilana ta chum chum ta na dirana ding ta na 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 ding 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 dirana tilana ta chum chum ta na dirana ding ta na 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 ding 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 dirana tilana ta chum chum ta na dirana ding ta na 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 ding 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 dirana tilana ta chum chum ta na dirana ding tai 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 di tai ding. Yes. Somewhere here and there it is going. With the practice it will come. Okay? Just revise your Tishra Jati Korvai and Khanda Jati Korvai together. Just revise it today. And tomorrow we will perform it. So we have learned the Korvai of Tishra Jati and Khanda Jati today. So now I want you to revise it on your own. If there is any difficulty, we'll see to it. Huh? Try. Say it loudly so I can hear it. This should go in Tishram. That one bit which you are giving should be very prominent. Tai, 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 tai. Correct. Any doubt? Yes, diagonally करना है. Correct. Correct. Now the Khanda Jati. After Taka you will wait or you will count it immediately? Immediately. Tak ka. And that hand will come round properly. Correct. Yes. Tired? By saying also you are tired. Very good. That means you need to practice more. Huh? So after this tai 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 the tai, what you will do again? Arudhi. Yes. So dim ta na 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 dim 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 dirana illana ta jum jum na dirana dim. Understood? Clear? So we have learned how much? Up to? क्या है ये? चतुश्र जाति, तीसरा जाति, खंड जाति, कोरवई. Okay? So this is your homework. You have to revise it properly. You have to write all the things properly and come next class. So we can learn further. If you will not revise it, I will have to teach you the same thing again, which is not good for you also. Okay? So take namaskar and revise all these things properly.